Welcome to the BeeneDesigns YouTube channel. I'm Anita, the face behind the voice. I'm here today to introduce myself and talk about my dreams and my mission. I have a passion to create a beautiful life for my family, and I strive to provide encouragement for others to do the same. One of the goals I have is to not only create awesome moments by taking the time to celebrate life with my family, but to also document those moments so they can be relived over and over. I have coined the phrase, preserving memories for future generations. Now you know what I mean when I say that. I have been creating scrapbooks for 16 years. When I first started digital scrapbooking, I used PSP, Paint Shop Pro. Shortly after that, I discovered GIMP. There are limited tutorials showing people how to use GIMP for the digital scrapbook world. So I decided that I would help to fill that void with my tutorials. On my channel, I provide a weekly tutorial outlining how I created that week's digital scrapbook layout. I also, from time to time, will do an additional tutorial using GIMP in a special way that would be significant in the digital scrapbook world. Take a look around. Let me know if you have any questions or if there's something that you would like discussed in a video. In the meantime, have a great day and bye for now.